USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about US dollar against Swiss franc. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram here if you want some free signals every now and then check out the brokers that are brought from right here. So go and sign up with these brokers and start a separate account, start a demo account to trade with my signals in that account only, okay? So my signals in a separate account, do all of that, subscribe, like. Coming back to the chart here. Starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are massively down. So we are in the strong downtrend in weekly. So coming back to daily chart. What do we have in daily chart? If the chart will load, I will surely tell you. Okay, spin daily, as you can see, we are still too far from the EMI. So we are looking for shorts only. This previous low is probably 79422, 79425. Okay, not broken. So this low is not broken yet, okay? But we are still in a massive downtrend. So coming back to 4 hour, we are looking for shorts only, okay? Now we have two possibilities for you here. So we went up above the EMA, then we closed below the EMA, okay? So if I would be you see rejection has come, all right? So you see, this blue candle has rejected the EMA and closed below the EMA. Do you understand? That is the continuation of the downtrend for me, okay? So I'll give you two situations. So we are favorable towards the downside. So as soon the market opens, wait for the next 4 hour candle. If that 4 hour candle eats this blue candle, okay, next red candle engulfs or eats this blue candle, then we are going down for this low. Next red candle eating the previous blue candle, then we are going down and taking a profits here, okay? But if the blue candle comes and breaks this high, then we are going for long after the pullback, okay? So either wait for this high to break, this high will break by the blue candle, then pull back, they will go up. Otherwise, wait for this previous blue candle to be eaten by the next red candle, then enter short and then you go down. Free trade, free money. Wait for two signals. Either this high will break or this blue candle will be eaten by the red candle. These two are your entry signals. This is this high break for long position, and this engulfing candle, red candle eating this blue candle is for going short. Most probably will go down. Okay, so free money. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, join the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.